In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a 3-month free trial of Apple TV Plus. Whether you've just purchased a new Apple device, you're a student looking for entertainment perks, or you simply want to explore Apple TV Plus before paying, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Apple TV app on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV device. If you've recently purchased a new Apple product, you're eligible for a 3-month free trial. Make sure to sign in using the same Apple ID linked to your new device. Once you're signed in, you'll see a banner or pop-up that says, "Enjoy 3 months free of Apple TV Plus." Tap on Claim Offer, and that's it, your free trial will begin immediately. Just remember, you need to redeem this offer within 90 days of activating your new device. Next, if you're a student, there's another easy way to get Apple TV Plus for free. Subscribe to the Apple Music Student Plan, which includes Apple TV Plus at no extra cost. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to verify your student status through Unidays, a student verification service. Once verified, your Apple TV Plus access will automatically be activated alongside your Apple Music subscription. So another option you can try is the Apple One free trial. Apple One bundles Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, iCloud, and other services into one plan. Simply go to Settings, Subscriptions, try Apple One, and you'll receive 1 month of free access to all included services, a great way to experience more of Apple's ecosystem before committing. To make the process smoother, ensure your Apple ID is active, your payment method is set up even though it won't charge during the trial, and that your device software is updated to the latest version. Doing this helps prevent issues when redeeming your offer. Once your free trial is activated, you can start streaming instantly from exclusive series like Ted Lasso and The Morning Show to blockbuster movies and documentaries. It's also a good idea to set a reminder before your trial ends so you can cancel or continue your subscription without unexpected charges. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to get up to 3 months of Apple TV Plus for free and enjoy premium entertainment across your Apple devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.